Welcome once again to your UNCLOG Easy channel. Today we are going to show you how to unclog your toilet in less than a minute. The first thing to apply in our toilet is the 3-piece rule. Just flush paper, pee and poop. Items such as contact lenses, cotton swabs, cotton balls, baby wipes are often flushed down the toilet. However, these are not biodegradable and often end up in the garbage because they are not well processed in treatment plants. To unclog toilets, there are countless chemical products available, but they often do not do the job. Apart from the fact that they are expensive, when diluted with water, they are not totally effective. Uncloggers like this one are a good option for sinks, showers, but when it is a toilet, things get complicated. It is as simple as using a mop. Of course, it has to be a very dense mop. They can be of cotton or, in our case, of microfiber. We go to it, we take the mop and we introduce it in the toilet. We push with force and with determination we take it out and we introduce it. The idea is to create a vacuum and make the possible obstruction disappear. At UNCLOG Easy, we have videos to make your life easier. Take a look here, and in the comments we also leave some links. And so much for today's video. I hope it has been useful. If you liked it, subscribe. See you in the next video.